Do you want to download the genuine Windows 11 from the official website and want to know how to install this Windows on VirtualBox? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download this from here, and we have to select our Windows 11 version here. And you can just scroll down and you can just confirm here. I will give the link in the description to download this. Now we have to choose our product language here. You can select any language, but I will choose the English International and confirm here. After that, you can see the 64-bit download option over there. Just click on it. But I have already downloaded first, that's why I will not download it again. To install the Windows 11, we have to create a virtual machine right now. Just you can put your name. I select this name, but mistakenly I select the Windows 10, but no matter what, you can give any name as you want. And let's select our ISO image file here. You can simply drag your ISO file over there, no problem. Now we are going to select our edition. I will select just Windows 11 Pro for Workstation. In the hardware section, you can also select your base memory and processor. Also, you can select your virtual hard disk. Simply, you can increase or decrease your storage here. You can see an error in the unattended install here because we have to select our username. You can also select the default username, but I will select my username. And also you have to give the password. You need to set the password here. After fill up the information, you can see the finish button here. Just finish it. Now we have to install our Windows 11 from there. Installation method is like simply as your PC. Here is the VirtualBox logo and we have to press any key. You will see the error if you don't press any key. After press any key, it will reboot the VirtualBox. It's started already. And it's asking for the product key, but I don't have the product key. That's why I will choose the I don't have the product key. Just click on it. The installation process is already running. This installation we have to wait a lot of minutes. I will skip those moments because it will take a lots of time. That's why I will not waste your time. That's why I will skip this. After this, we can see a black screen over there to final step the installing Windows 11. After finished the all process, if you see a black screen for the long time, then you have to do one thing that is very important to install this OS. So just we have to power up the machine and we have to delete the ISO file from there. Just click on settings and click on storage. Just select your ISO file and just delete from this attachment. Now simply start this again. ISO file deleted is the very important step for install this OS on VirtualBox, because if you left your ISO file there, it will start again to install this app. The first step you have followed. So that's why we have to remove the attachment. And here we go. Here is our Windows 11 on our VirtualBox. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.